Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a domain in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over and click on the settings option. Now, once you have clicked on your settings, you can actually just scroll down until you reach the option for domain. So click on domains right here. And then from in there, you can actually buy a new domain or add and connect an existing domain. So I have in here my domain for my shop, which is this one. You can actually change it to a new myshopify.com domain if you want. So for example, you can actually just connect a existing domain if you want. So for example, let's put in here viafriends.com. After that, click on next. And once you have done that, as you can see, this domain is available to purchase. So you can actually just buy this domain right here in order to integrate it to your Shopify. Another option that you have is to head over in here again, and you can actually just change this myshopify.com domain and just put in here the domain name that you want. So for me, I'll just add this and click on add domain. And then as you can see, it has been changed into this specific thing right here, which is my domain. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.